8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 multiplied by 3 is 0, but this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Please subscribe to the channel before solving the question so you don't miss future videos. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve inside the parentheses. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then the expression becomes 8 divided by 2 minus 4 times 3. Since we have division, subtraction, and multiplication here, multiplication and division take priority, and we evaluate them from left to right. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and negative 4 times 3 equals minus 12, so 4 minus 12 equals minus 8. Please write the answer to this question in the comments. I'll post the solution to this question in the next video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming interesting videos.